Hello friends, hi, welcome to our Team Autotrend channel. This is your Viprajesh again. I'm here, the beautiful Nilgiri Hills. Okay, we are here with the brand new updated 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder S Hybrid variant. This is currently the most affordable hybrid midsize SUV in India today because this one, it costs under rupees 20 lakh on road, while the ex-showroom is around 16.45 lakh ex-showroom. Okay, so this car has got good power, decent level of features. It even has got cruise control and all. So yeah, this can be considered as one good alternative for long distance driving people. Okay, so what we are going to do today is that to test the mileage of this hybrid vehicle, we are going all the way to Ooty from Coimbatore and coming back. Okay, so this car has got a capacity of say 45 liters in terms of petrol, and with hybrid power it can deliver up to 27.9 kilometer per liter. That's what Toyota says. So we are going to test that out uphill and downhill. So we'll try to extract the best efficiency and see how much petrol does this hybrid Hyryder consume on a hill drive trip. Okay, so yeah, today this car has been provided to us by Anamallais Toyota showroom in Coimbatore. Okay, thanks to them, and yeah, let's go. Let's get on with that. So first we have to fill the fuel, and then let's get on with the drive. The Toyota Hyryder Hybrid has got a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder non-turbocharged petrol engine mated to an electric motor so that when the engine power is not required, the electric motor kicks in to save fuel. But still, in order to properly check the efficiency of the Hyryder Hybrid system, we are filling the fuel tank of 45 liters up to the brim. And then after the drive, we will return to the exact same fuel station to refill again for calculation. Alright, we have reset the trip meters to 0 and let's start the drive. Alright, so we have crossed the main city traffic zones, and as you can see, the efficiency seems to be good. The main concept of a hybrid vehicle is that whenever you don't need excess power, the electric motor kicks in to provide a smooth and silent driving experience, and only if you require more power and instant acceleration response, that's when the engine kicks in. So it is because of this hybrid concept system, you can save a lot of fuel in city drives and relaxed cruising, especially on long drives. Okay, we have traveled around 40 kilometers from Coimbatore, and this is where we have to turn right towards Kotagiri. Now this is going to be a proper uphill drive, which means the petrol engine is going to be fully functional, which I think may reduce the efficiency figure a bit. But anyway, that drop in efficiency can be easily compensated while coming downhill using the hybrid system, I guess. Okay, here we have arrived at Kotagiri, and here we have to turn left towards Ooty, and as you can see, due to the uphill drive, the efficiency has dropped significantly. 13 km per liter, that's what the display is showing on the touchscreen system. I think yeah, this will get better once we reach uphill and come downhill while returning. Okay guys, now I would like to explain how does this hybrid system work on an uphill drive, because it is quite interesting. Unlike on the say plains in a city environment, the petrol engine has to remain always on power. Only with a slight dab of the accelerator pedal, the engine gets activated, working along with the electric motor. But even on an uphill drive, if you relax the accelerator pedal and if you don't demand a lot of power from the overall powertrain, the car gets into EV mode, which can deliver better efficiency for some time. Driving in the regular normal drive mode, you don't get as much regenerative effect from the braking, but all the hybrid cars provide you a B mode. Yes, as you can see on the lever here, you also have the B mode, which essentially is a regenerative braking mode, providing more resistance to the wheels while converting and storing that energy as electrical energy in the hybrid system's battery, while also enabling the one pedal drive mode for the driver. But yes, if you want the car to coast downhill smoothly, it is better for you to switch to the drive mode, as it does not provide as much resistance to the wheels. So folks, we have reached Ooty here. In fact, we have crossed Ooty and come to a proper location over here. Till now, we have covered 133 kilometers in total since we started from Coimbatore. And the actual mileage which we have achieved according to this display is around 16.3 kilometer per liter, which is actually quite good for an uphill drive. We had some downhill drops as well, but Collectively, we have achieved around 15 to 16 km per liter for this uphill drive in total. Okay, so now the next phase is downhill going all the way back to Coimbatore. Toyota claims around 27.9 km per liter, but let's see how practical and what is the practical mileage that we can achieve with this hybrid Toyota Hyryder S variant. Right, folks, we are on the way to Coimbatore right now. We have covered around 222 kilometers as of now, and the mileage, as you can clearly see, it has increased back to 21 km per liter thanks to the complete downhill stretch all the way down from Ooty. Okay, so we have almost entered Coimbatore. So let's see how much actual efficiency does this Hyryder Hybrid actually deliver. How much fuel does this car consume for such a hill drive trip? According to me, it's going to be good, because as you can clearly see in the display itself, only a couple bars have reduced in terms of the fuel gauge. Okay, it's not reduced much, so I think the efficiency is going to be okay. Right, anyway, let's see the actual facts once we fill the car back up. Right, folks, we have finally arrived here at Coimbatore at the exact same fuel station from where we started the journey, and yeah, it was actually a fun trip. And as you can clearly see, the car has run around 234.8 kilometers since we started from here in the morning. Okay, so let's see how much fuel is needed to top up the car. Okay, so 11.85 liters is what's needed to fill the tank up, and let's now calculate the efficiency without any further ado. 234.8 kilometers divided by 11.85 liters comes up to 19.81 kilometer per liter. That's what this Toyota Hyryder Hybrid has delivered in terms of efficiency. I think this is actually quite good, in line with many small cars. That's what I would say, given the fact that this is still a mid-size SUV with good level of features, good space, comfort, safety, and it's got reasonable power as well. And mind you, this efficiency is not on a relaxed cruising basis. This was proper city traffic plus uphill drive along with some relaxed cruising and a final downhill drive from Ooty, which also required the engine to be turned on always for engine braking. So folks, that was a proper hill drive mileage test of the most affordable hybrid SUV in India today, the Toyota Hyryder Hybrid. If you want the space, comfort and features of a mid-size SUV along with the efficiency of a small car, the hybrid is the way to go, especially if you do a lot of long drives and want to save on fuel costs. This Toyota Hyryder Hybrid is available in 3 different variants, and you can see the on-road prices of them on the screen right now. Do let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this mileage test and the Toyota Hyryder Hybrid. Meanwhile, this is Rajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.